Hello, not going to keep you long today. Have a look at that. We're going to do some really delicious spicy potatoes, Indian style. Really, really good and easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got my pan here and I've got about 5 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a corn oil. You could change that if you want. We're going to drop in 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Let them crackle away for a few seconds. Next up, we're going to get in our potatoes. Let me drop them in. There's 3 cups and I'll talk to you about them. So you can see that I've peeled them and also I've boiled them a little bit. You can do this from raw if you want, but it just takes a bit longer. But they're still very, very hard. Just sort of boiled them, well, brought the water to a boil and then let them go just for like 3 minutes. Now what we're going to do now is we're on this kind of fairly lively heat, above medium heat, and we're going to go for 4 minutes now. Give these a nice head start here. Okay, so starting to get a little bit of colour on there, and they're on their way. Next up, we've got 1 cup of onion that I'm going to drop in. I'm going to add some salt now. And then I'm going to add some fresh chilies. Now I'm putting my chilies in whole, and I've got quite a few. There's like 7 or 8 of them there. Chop them if you want, but I like them in whole. We're going to go for another 4 minutes, stirring often. Fabulous stuff. Next up, we're going to add garlic. You could put garlic ginger in if you want, but I'm just putting some chopped garlic in. And then half a teaspoon chili, turmeric and cumin. Keep it moving all the time now for 2 minutes. Beautiful. Off goes the heat. Cilantro, coriander, nice big handful there. Get that in. Stir, serve. And that's it, job done. Nice, easy, simple, spicy potatoes. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon, you can get it in an ebook, $3.99, very, very cheap. 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.